guys, welcome back to another episode of Boss Luxa channel, documenting a journey to success because success begins with the mind. My name is Camilla Mills, and today's video we're going to be discussing how to open up a Robinhood account. So if you've been following my channel, you've probably heard me say a couple times how to get financial freedom is through passive income, investments, whether it's stock market, real estate, life insurance, whatever the case is, investments and passive income is the best way to reach financial stability. So for those of you who may not know, Robinhood is an investment platform, one of many platforms that people use to invest in the stock market. So Robinhood is beginner friendly, and it does help you get your foot into the door pretty much, looking at the stock market, how things are doing, how stocks are trending up or down, whatever the case is. So I personally opened up my Robinhood account last month, wanted to get a feel of it. So I've actually been paper trading for some time before that, wanted to actually understand what was going on. And then officially last month, I decided to actually put my money into it, put an initial deposit. So last month, I did my first deposit of $700 and wanted to see how far we would get by the end of the year. So just want to point out, as far as Robinhood, Webull, whatever the platform is or whatever we discuss with trading, I want to let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. So you do have to do your own due diligence on any and everything regarding the stock market, because you have to think about it. These are your funds that you're investing. You don't want to just lose your funds willy-nilly because you heard somebody talk about it on a computer screen. So for those of you who are not familiar with the stock market at all, there are two main definitions really that you must know before even going into the stock market. And the first one would be a stock, which is a security that represents ownership or a fraction of the ownership for a corporation. So what does that mean? It's giving you an opportunity to own a portion of that company, essentially. The second one would be shares. So you buy the stock and your units of shares is the amount that you own in that company. So you probably heard somebody say, oh, I own 100 shares of this, I own 100 shares of that, 50 shares of this. That's really what the basis is. So all that aside, the main objective of the stock market is to buy low, sell high. You're buying at a low price, you're selling it at a higher point to get your profit. Okay, so enough talking from me. Let's go ahead and look into the Robinhood portfolio. So to start this off, I actually clicked on my brother's link so we can both go ahead and get our free stock. As soon as you click it, it does tell you open an account within the next 24 hours and you can both get a free stock. Going on to the next one, it pretty much just asks you for your basic information. What country do you live in? Enter your email address, enter your password, your legal name. My name's Camilla Mills, as you know. Telephone number, date of birth, and your address. Citizenship, verify your identity, social security, and your investment experience, who you're employed with. And here it asks you if you have any family members that are brokers. Actually, I don't think brokers can actually have Robinhood, or if brokers can trade, because I think they know insider information. I think, don't quote me on that. Agree to the terms, and bam, there's your Robinhood. As you can see, actually, I tried to link my account and I actually locked myself out of my account. So unfortunately, my brother did not get the free stock because I locked myself out. So as soon as you log on, you're going to be at your homepage. Your homepage pretty much just tells you what your portfolio is and what it's looking like. So what you're investing, how much you have invested in stocks at the moment. As of now, you can see I have $1,019.87 invested. Today, I'm down about $58.01. I know it's pretty bad. And after hours, I am up $25.78. Come a little further down and you'll see the chart. The chart really just shows you what you're trending, how you're trending for the day. Come a little further down, which is the buying power. It shows you how much money you have left to invest in stocks. So if you come a little further down, you'll see what stocks you're actually invested in. At the moment, I'm invested in 5 different companies, 2 of which you guys may know, which is RAD, also known as Rite Aid, and AAL, which is American Airlines. Scroll a little further down on your homepage and it brings you to your watch list. So your watch list, again, is comprised of your ticker symbols from that company that you want to watch over time, however long you want to keep them there. I have Netflix, Disney, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Alibaba, any of those you can keep on your watch list. Those are really the big companies that you kind of want to keep a lookout for. So whatever you like, you can put on your watch list. You can also search up your ticker symbols where you can actually add them to your watch list. So if you move over to the search bar, you're going to see the little magnifying glass at the bottom. Type in the ticker symbol or the actual name of the company. For example, if you wanted to invest in Nike, you'll just go to the search tab, look up Nike and NIKE. Now, if you were to buy Nike today, you'd be buying it at $141.80. As you can see, as of now, today, Nike was down $1.74, which is about 1.22%. Now, that doesn't seem like a lot, but if you can imagine having 10,000 shares of Nike, that $1.74 adds up. Okay, so if you move a little further down, you'll see the statistics of the company itself. Today, Nike opened at $143.62. The highest point for the day is $144.90. The lowest point for the day is $140.93. And you'll also see the market cap. Right now, Nike is worth about $225 billion. So right here, you'll see Robinhood also has a feature where it pretty much surveys analysts and they give you their rating. So Robinhood has 33 analyst ratings on here, and 85% of them say that this company is a buy. 12% say that they should buy and hold, and 3% say if you're holding the stock right now, sell it. But of course, this is not something that you should rely on 100%. Definitely not. You should definitely be doing your own due diligence. Look into the company, see if it's something you really want to invest in, if it's actually worth your time, do your own analytics, and yeah, go from there. Also, on this page, you'll see Robinhood actually does a really good job at giving you news of the overall stock market and news that may actually affect the stock market. As you can see, Biden just proposed his $1.9 trillion COVID package, which can affect the market either way. So we'll see tomorrow how that looks for us, whether we go up, whether we go down. All right, so if you press the little icon at the bottom, it brings you to your overall portfolio again. It gives you the options as to how to get into your portfolio and in depth of it. The first tab is for you to get your free stock. So again, if you click the link below in the description box, you can go ahead and click that link, open up a Robinhood account. If you link your account or your bank account within the next 24 hours, you and me get a free stock. And look at that. You can actually invite contacts. You can send this link out to everyone in your phone book, and you could get a free stock through them as well. And they each get a stock. So if you go to transfers, you'll see it gives you the first two options are really the most important options. Transfer to Robinhood. So once you've linked your account to Robinhood, you can transfer your funds from your account to Robinhood directly. It will take a couple of days to clear, but Robinhood also gives you a feature where you can start trading with those funds right then and there until they clear. Also, you can go into transfer to your bank. So you can take your funds out of Robinhood to your account and it goes in there as well. Briefly, we're going to go into one of the stocks that I'm in, which is IDEX, also known as Ideonomics. So looking at my current position, you'll see I have about 89 shares, which is about a market value of $312.20. You'll see at the average cost, I bought it at $3.35. Now, if you look at the very top, you'll see it's currently at $3.49. So we have made a little bit of a profit, a little bit over 4%, which equates to $12.20. So I'll keep you guys posted every Friday to show you how my portfolio is doing. So there's a quick glance at my Robinhood portfolio. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link below. You can go ahead and click that link. That'll take you to Robinhood where you can open up your own Robinhood portfolio, get started there, and free stuff ahead. When you open it up and link your bank account, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, both of us get a free stock worth up to $500. Now, that could be anything. It could be Disney, Coca-Cola, Apple, Nike, anything. So, who doesn't love free stuff? We all love free stuff. So go ahead and check that out. So I'll be uploading every Friday regarding my portfolio just to monitor it and see the progress as to where we're going and what we're doing, whether we're moving up, whether moving down. We'll find out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope I earned your thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. See you guys next time, and don't forget, success begins with the mind.